Okay, let's break down how a story of discipline is told through visuals. It's all about transformation. It all kicks off with one simple, stark challenge. Just 7 days to completely break a cycle.
First, the story sets up this comfort state, but it's not about rest. It's actually a trap.
And look how the visuals, the lighting, the messy room, all just scream drained and weak.
The change isn't slow. It's a hard cut, a deliberate choice to play by a new set of rules.
What's really cool is how fast, sharp cuts show these rules being put into action immediately.
This part isn't about instant success. It's about showing the reality of building determination through difficulty.
And right here, you see the big shift, from fighting resistance to actually embracing it. That's key.
So this whole struggle, it builds up to a really powerful final contrast. Check this out. See? The lighting goes from cold blue to warm gold. The character is no longer passive at all.
So here's the point. The discipline forged on the inside is now totally visible on the outside.
The final message lands with total clarity, starting right here with the diagnosis of the problem.
And it ends by reframing dangerous. It means focused, capable, and in command of yourself. Finally, the story turns it back on you, leaving you with a personal challenge to think about.